Fuck.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. And today we have a little treat in store. We're going to our first meet of the year. First official car meet of the year. This is going on by what the? So this meet is being put on by MB Fans GTA. I've been following them for a while, but this is my first official meet going with them to see what it's all about. So this was supposed to happen last week, but it was really bad weather. It was raining, so they put it on to this week. It is raining outside, which sucks, and it really does suck. Cause yesterday I spent probably about 2 hours outside washing this car by hand, making sure everything is nice, all the brake dust is off the car, and everything along those lines, just for it to rain. But it's okay. You get to meet new people, get new experiences, and that's what it's all about. Sometimes you do things you put wouldn't work, and then it doesn't work out as planned. But that's how life is, to be honest. Expect it all the time. So we're gonna enjoy this day, regardless if it's raining or not. I'm gonna enjoy this day. Show you guys some nice. What the fuck is shit doing this shit for? What the? So yeah, we're gonna be showing you guys a little bit of the nice Mercedes-Benz and other cars that are in the GTA for this meetup. I'm excited. So enjoy the little ride montage till we get there. Hopefully, fingers crossed, there's no traffic or anything, so we get there safe and sound, guys. Alright guys, so we are at the meet. It is raining, but I'm gonna give you a few looks at the cars. Few look at the cars that I've seen so far. So we're just gonna go along for those who are here right now. So love you from the start. I know things ain't perfect. Lately I've been working, focus on my purpose. Hey, lately I've been working in the overtime. I be on the better thing. Also tryna climb that ladder. Yeah, so hard that nothing matters. How to play my game. Love is a hard pill to swallow. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Yeah, I'm shining bright, serving purpose. Money's on the stretch, just like loafers. So guys, we are leaving the meet. Now we're gonna go to another spot where we could all take a photo op together. It's pretty cool, you know. The AMG GT over there in the front, followed by E63. Crazy. Alright guys, so we have left the meet and now we're gonna go on our cruise portion of this video. It was a pretty nice meetup. Got to meet a few people, got to see a few nice cars. So we're just gonna go on this drive and enjoy. I'll show you a few clips and enjoy, guys.
Close friends like baby, now you my lady, I'ma buy you a Mercedes. Oh, me down on my worst.
So now we're at the second location for a stop, I guess. Park and chill. Oh. And these guys got here quick. I love this wrap on this E63. So nice. If I had a choice, I would get a C43, but in the wagon. I don't know what it is, but these wagons just do something to me, you know? I just feel like they really look good. If you lower it, you know, put a roof rack on there. That's my type of speed, you know? I like this. But you know, that wasn't in the budget when I got mine, but still a really nice car though. I like it. It's nice E-Class. Beautiful interior. White interior. Sexy rims. I don't know why every time I see the rims, it reminds me of like a presidential car, like, you know? That's what it reminds me of. This car just looks like elegant, like it's a boss classic car, you know? Pretty chill. They have a BRZ with a wing. It's really nice. honestly, guys, this has been an amazing run so far. I have to do this more often. So I was saying, guys, this has been an amazing run. Honestly, I have to do this more often because it's so fun. Going for a crew, pops and bangs, driving the speed limit. It's a lot of fun, honestly. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of these this summer for sure, to be honest. Because this is my first like real cruise with like a crew, and I'm really enjoying it, guys. So honestly, thank you to George from MB GTA fans. Really good route, really good scenery, very good crew. Everyone's chill and fun, so very thankful, man. This is really good. Now we are at stop number 3, 4. I lost track, to be honest, but it's been a really nice cruise so far, man. Sweet. Alright, guys, so this is the end of the video. It was a really nice cruise. Met a lot of new people, which is always good to connect with people. Met some new friends. I'm just gonna end this video now. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. And have a great week as usual. Peace.